Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you have one of these? I have no clue what it's for. It's a seam guide, okay? See these two holes here? That's where it screws into. You can either screw it into this second hole here, tighten it down. It don't matter which one you screw it in. I think it depends on how much room you want. If you want that much of room, you sew it in, screw it in there. If you want an 1/8 inch seam or a 1/4 inch seam, you put it in here. Okay. Now this little slot in here moves it back, okay, to wherever you want it. And like if I'm doing an 1/8 inch seam, I put it right there. If I want a 1/4 inch seam, I'm going to go on this big line here. Okay, so when I start sewing, my material goes in straight and my hem stays straight. So basically it's just a seam guide. My video for the day. More videos coming up later. Bye guys.